This is it.
I don't know really how to tell everybody, you know?
Yeah, it's been a crazy ride. So much that we learned the last 2 years. So many cool people we met. So many cool episodes that we dropped. I think it's been a hell of a ride, to be honest. And just kind of seeing it from our friends, family, the audience, people who are watching us, listening to us every single day. I think we learned a lot. They've seen us grow over the last couple of years. And I think this might be a wrap.
Yeah, man. Like, I feel like, you know what? For a long time there, we always told our audience members and we told ourselves that we're in the same shoes as you guys. And if you're hearing that for the first time, we really were. And we were seeking for so long what we wanted to have our passion be. Like the questions we were asking so many of our incredible guests, from entrepreneurs to creators to athletes to people who clearly woke up every day loving what they did, is because we were trying to like seek that type of validation for ourselves to do what we love. And we finally, man, I mean, we were ready for that. Like, I see you and I in our lives now honing in on the one thing we only want to do. And for me, it's health and fitness. For you, it's your, go ahead and share yourself what that is.
Yeah, passion for, the hip hop stuff and filmmaking. So yeah, I think it's been a great ride. I don't think we know if we're going to be back or not yet. I think we're just going to wrap this up as season 1, and potentially it's going to be the last season. We don't know yet. I think me and Kenny have put in a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of energy to bring value for you guys who have been listening for the last couple years. We did a live event and we really tested that. We really pushed ourselves to see what we could do to bring value to not only Edmontonians but people online, people on YouTube. I know there's a lot of people who are listening to this who aren't from Edmonton, who are listening to us from different countries, from different spaces, and I feel like we have done so much to not only push ourselves individually but push what we could to bring stories and to entertain you guys as much as we could.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I find that we just need now the full time and energy to spend towards our own passions. And we want to thank you all so much. If it weren't for you guys tuning in and being here and watching our progression every step of the way, we wouldn't even be here. You know what I mean? We wouldn't even be able to proudly say that, hey, we discovered ours through the help of just asking people questions and not being afraid to like humble ourselves and recognize that we can't do this alone. It took me, I always say, 60 episodes to be on the front row seat of talking to everyone we've had on and doing this with Cassius to recognize that, okay, I'm ready to do mine. And I'm not saying it was discovered through that. It was always there. It made me look at in my life what was always never something that was on or off. It was always on. It was always something I put time towards, and that's my love for fitness. That's my love for, things like jiu-jitsu and trying to like optimize my fitness and my health, because that grounds me for everything else. And you know what? Who knows? Maybe Cassius and I can come together and we can swing up a way to collaborate both our very different passions. But we very well know that going into this together, we had a purpose to it. We've now fulfilled that.
Yeah. And I think, with everything going on in 2020, I think, we're just kind of taking on what we can, full stride. And, for us, in terms of where we are, I think there's a little bit of a change that's going to be coming. I'm not going to say that it's the end, but for now, it's going to be a wrap. I want to close it off and say thank you all for tuning in every Monday, every Tuesday, to all of our videos, to those listening to us on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, from wherever you are, from around the world. We truly appreciate you guys every single Tuesday, every single Monday, and maybe we'll see you soon.
Love you, homie.
Love you too, brother.